Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this video, we are talking about how you can use connected assets on sites. In the previous video, we have discussed all about the overview architecture, the different use cases, how you can implement and configure your connected assets, and the challenges that might you can face while configuring. Before moving on the main agenda, I would like to request all my users to subscribe my channel so you will get the latest videos. Also, that will help me to grow in future. So please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and please like my channel. Let's move on the agenda of this video, which is how you can use assets on sites. So once you are done with all the configuration, all the challenges that you are facing, after that, whenever you open your website page, you can see a new icon on your left navigation, that is cloud shape icon related to connected assets, and all the images and documents you can traverse and can use on your AEM website pages. Let's quickly see how that is working on in a real time. So this is one of my web page. I'm using out of the box website, and this is the icon which I'm talking about. When I hover it, you can see connected asset. Once I click on this, it will load all the images, but it is already selected. So let me go back and select the icon again. And here I can either pull out images and documents. Documents, I can easily pull out the other related document like InDesign, Word, PDF, and any other document. And similarly, any images, it could be JPG, PNG, or any supported asset, I can easily pull out. As you can see, there are multiple assets. Either I can search by utilizing it, the search feature, or just drilling down and look at all the assets. And once I want to use on any component, for example, image component, I just need to drag and drop this asset. So what will happen, this asset, which is part of connected asset as of now, but once I do drag and drop, it will sync and it will be available on my AEM instance. Suppose I do have multiple AEM instances. Currently, I'm on my cloud service environment, but once I have another cloud service environment, the same configuration will work and same assets I can reuse there as well. I hope this will be helpful to understand how this will work on AEM sites. If you have any open question, feel free to drop me in comments. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like my channel.